So yesterday I was cleaning my setup and I realized I need to vacuum the area down here. I'll show you guys. It's looking a little grim. We have a bit of crumbs and stuff, and I was thinking, you know what, where is a vacuum cleaner? Well, we didn't have one up here, and we actually just got one sent out from Flexispot, and you're probably thinking Flexispot, they make the standing desks that you all probably know and love. They also make chairs, the one that I'm using on my setup right now, but I did not know they made vacuum cleaners and air purifiers and stuff like that. So they ended up just sending them out to us just so we could take a look at them, and it's not sponsored or anything by any means, so I have a full honest review of it, but I had no idea they made vacuums, so we have it right here. And I'm really excited to see actually what this thing looks like because it's one of those cordless ones, kind of like one of those Dysons, and we definitely need more of these at the office because it is definitely handy to have these around all the time. So small package, I'm really excited to see how it works, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it, so let's get right into it. So yeah, you guys already know the drill by now. Pretty much anything that we get into the office that probably there isn't a review on online, and I kind of need something to film for the day, I'm like, you know what? Let's just make a quick video on it because you can never have too much content like this on YouTube. So unboxing this thing. So I got a little pamphlet here. It's a user manual and it's a couple pages long. Let's see if it has any instructions in it. Yeah, there's a bunch of information and a couple instructions. So I'm gonna try not to use this because I don't like instructions. So pulling it out though, it is a pretty cool color scheme. It's got their typical blue accents to all their products that they like to do, whether it's on like a little logo or something, but Flexispot right here. You can kind of see that right there. And yeah, it's not looking bad. You got some nozzles. I am interested to see how good the suction is on one of these systems because a lot of the vacuum manufacturers out there have been doing it for a long, long time. And a lot of them are really established, but I never thought I'd be unboxing a Flexispot vacuum cleaner. So we'll see what this whole thing is about, but packaging is pretty solid. It, of course, arrived in good shape. There's no dents or anything in the package, but not too many components for a vacuum cleaner. And everything seems pretty lightweight, which honestly, for a portable vacuum cleaner that's cordless and everything, I think that's definitely a selling point for someone who wants to have a versatile vacuum cleaner. Because mine at home, I'm not taking this home, but mine at home is kind of a pain to bring in and out and use all the time. But this one's good just for like some quick pickup and stuff. Yeah, this just snaps in right here. Yeah, 3 pieces right here for this whole piece right here. And it's got some good tilt. Look at that. It's got a whole tilt. 360, baby. So that's kind of cool. It is definitely all plastic, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. Pretty light, but let's see what else needs to be done for it to work and everything like that. And we have a couple accessories here. If you wanted to remove, I'm assuming the top there, you'd go handheld, make it small. You have these little things right here. And I'm assuming this is the battery, which is gonna go down here in the bottom. Let's see if it's charged. She's on. Okay, suction's pretty good actually. All right, and I'm assuming there's modes as well. Yeah, there's a plus and minus on the bottom here, so. I mean, she's gripping. She's a gripper. I know, she's drifting on me. It's very loose, it's like a loose head, but it does suction quite well. And then honestly, all this stuff on the instructions here are just introducing what each part is, and then it just tells you how to empty everything, so I'm probably not gonna use any of that stuff. And yeah, this is the wall mount, and it comes with the hardware as well, for what you need, so that's super straightforward and very easy assembly process. I'm gonna keep this charger on hand so we don't lose it, which we probably will end up losing it, but as far as carpet suction goes, honestly, I think that the lowest setting is probably just more than enough, especially on carpet, because I'm still suctioning everything up, and it's not fighting me too much, so that's nice. Yeah, it's got some stuff in there already, which is kind of cool. Let's test it on hardwood. Let's go see what it looks like. All right, and on hardwood and like a smaller carpet. Oh, she's gliding easy. That's nice. Yeah, it kind of drifts out from you sometimes like this, but I mean, that's pretty solid. Super smooth on hardwood floor, by the way. Oh, that's gross. And I also like the light on it too, so you can kind of see everything that's in front of you. So that's not too bad. So I wish there was a way to like lock the bottom here because, you know, you can kind of see I have it propped up right here, but that's pretty much the only spot that I've been able to put it that can actually like keep it standing upright. So that's like the only downside, but again, I think they include that wall mount for that exact reason. So that's just my particular use case, but this thing's pretty sleek. I'm a big fan of it. Let's see what the price is because I haven't even checked that and we're filming a whole video on it. So Matt guessed $165 for the vacuum and it is currently on sale for $149.99. That's not too bad. Now, I don't know, I am definitely not your person to go to when it comes to reviews and comparisons between any other cordless vacuums. I've never used any of them that are actually high end, so I can't tell you the full benefits behind going with like a $400 Dyson one, but this one honestly does the job pretty well. And I won't be able to, you know, give much of an input on battery life because I will not be using it for that long, but out of the gate, it looks pretty solid. It's got its blue color scheme, which I'm sure they just pre-applied to any normal mass-produced vacuum. And this thing's pretty sleek. I'm actually a big fan of that wall mount feature too. So if for some reason you were very interested in this vacuum cleaner and you wanted to take a look at it yourself, check the links in the description down below. I'll have this one linked in the website so you can pick it up yourself if you wanted to, but that's gonna pretty much wrap up this video. Very quick and short review of this Flexispot N2F vacuum cleaner. But yeah, thanks for watching to the end if you all did, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.